Where's the dog? Where's the doggy? Where's the dog? Oh, and here comes another one. Hi, baby girl. We're looking for the dog. Dog! Where's the dog? Hey, doggy! Can you go look out the window, see if the dog's there?
He thinks the dog's out there. He's calling dog.
Yeah, where's the dog?
He's never said that until your house.
He just said dog.
I know, we heard him earlier.
Dog?
It's just woof woof.
Where's the dog? Call him dog!
It's always, yeah, that's what it usually is.
She loves his hair. And you know, it's funny, when Emily was a little girl, her hair was like white blonde. And if I took her to like
Oh, she
I took her to like a Chinese restaurant, and all the Asians kept coming over and touching her hair. They're like, ooh. Where's the doggy, Ben? Where'd the doggy go? Say, hey, doggy. Right, look at this little